What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is a channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm going to share with you my updated New Balance sneaker collection for 2019. Let's get started. Just a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium accessory maker based out of Australia. So they come up with amazing bracelets, necklaces. They're even coming out with watches soon, so make sure that you guys check them out. I will put the link down below, which gives an exclusive discount for you all, for our community. So please guys, support them because they make videos like this, vlogs like this, the vlog in general possible. Thank you, Rose Gold and Black. Guys, check out the link down below. I don't have a lot of New Balance sneakers. As of my final count, I have around 8. But these 8 are the ones that I really went out of my way to be able to buy and add to my collection. Let's get started with my favorite New Balance X-90. This is the Korea exclusive version. Air actually came all the way from Australia. I had somebody buy it for me and it came in an amazing box. It had like stickers on it, extra laces. And I just love the look and build and the overall comfort of the sneaker. The all black look, the reflective material, the whites, the blue laces just really made it pop. And just like with any X-90, super comfortable, amazing cushioning thanks to the Rev Light midsole of New Balance. This one is still available here in the Philippines, sells for a little over 6,000 pesos, also has a white version with pink laces. Next, we have the New Balance X-90 in that mustard yellow colorway. This one I was able to cop from Commonwealth, and what I love about this is that it just gives a burst of color with that yellow like color blocking. Now don't get deceived, this is not just all mesh, it actually has premium suede material all around it, from the heel part to the foot cage over here to like the sides. Everything is pretty good. Materials are excellent, and just like the other X-90, the midsole is made from Rev Light, which means that you get excellent cushioning for an everyday casual sneaker. Now we go to my first ever New Balance X-90. I forgot what model this is called. I think it's like the premium model or something, but I just love the overall style, the more minimalist look. As you guys can see, there's not a lot going on. You just have some sort of premium nubuck for the upper. Then you have that leather heel cage over here. And the suede part over here at the heel, and again the Rev Light midsole. What I love about it the most was really the color blocking. It was really simple and easy to wear. And yeah, this was my first X-90. Got this also from Commonwealth when it came out a few months back. So I have a bunch of New Balance 247s. I think I had one in the white and blue, and the white and pink and like teal, but I ended up sticking to just this one. This is the New Balance 247. I don't know if it's called premium, but it does have leather along the sides. You have mesh for the upper or some sort of knit material, and then you have the Rev Light midsole. What I love about this is that it gives you the right amount of pop, bold colors. You can change the laces. The other pair actually has different colors for the midsole, so you can, it kind of has that thing going on, and not a lot of people will wear something like this. So yeah, that's the New Balance 247. I think I got this for a little less than 6,000 pesos when it went on sale over at the Athlete's Foot. Next, we have the New Balance 580 collaboration with Bape and G.I. Joe for Storm Shadow. So this is a sneaker actually inspired by the arch nemesis of Snake Eyes from the show, TV show, movie, and cartoons, G.I. Joe. So you have that grayish white colorway with streaks of red as if to mimic like blood splatter all over it. You do have like more symbols here at the bottom of the shoe, and yeah, even the Cobra logo here in the insole. I haven't actually worn this yet. I still have the Stock X verified authentic symbol here. Got this from Stock X at a really good price. But I am thinking of breaking it in already. Maybe tomorrow, who knows? It's time to really take this out and put some miles into this shoe. Next, we have one of my favorite summer or just light colored sneakers from New Balance, or not just from New Balance, but sneakers in general in my entire collection. This is the New Balance made in the USA 997. I think it's like part of the Desert Heat Pack, if I'm not mistaken. I got this from the outlet store over at Mamplasan, Laguna. Got it for like a little less than 8,000 pesos. I can't remember the exact price, or roughly around $180, $170 US. So I just love the style of it. I just love how wide feet friendly it is. The end cap midsole is fantastic. One of the best cushioning like technologies that you guys can get today. And yeah, the mix of the premium suede, the mesh, and all the leathers and the different types of materials on the shoe is just amazing. Fantastic, high quality, comfortable sneakers at an excellent price. You really can't go wrong with the New Balance 997s. Second to the last, we're coming to one of my favorite New Balance sneakers of all time. In fact, one of my favorite sneakers of all time. This is the New Balance 990 V4. And yeah, this is like a dad shoe because of the chunky vibe. But hey, dad shoes are in trend, and at the same time, guys, this is super comfortable. I mean, it is just an amazing feeling to experience the 990 V4s on feet. The stability, the firmness, the right amount of cushioning. I mean, it's just right. I mean, it's spot on in the middle of what you would want in terms of firmness. And it's not too much and it's not too hard. It's really just right. And that's the reason why I really fell in love with this sneaker. In fact, I almost went on a shopping binge when I was in Japan because the New Balance store over at Harajuku just had a ton of colorways of the 990 V4s. But yeah, I was able to stop myself. But maybe in the next time that I drop by Harajuku in Japan, I will cop me a few pairs of different colorways of this shoe. Guys, if you haven't seen my Japan sneaker shopping series yet, I will put a link down below. I did like sneaker shopping guides for Harajuku, Shibuya, and a bunch of other great content that you guys really have to see and binge watch. Now, the last sneaker I have for you is something that's still in the box. So I will be doing an unboxing of this sneaker over here. Guys, this is the New Balance 990, again, V4. But the great thing about this one is that it's limited edition. There are only 1,500 pairs in the world. And it was really made to commemorate the anniversary of the New Balance 990 when it came out in 1982. So, again, it boxes made in the USA. Let's pop it open. Oops. And here you have it. This is the New Balance, I don't know, anniversary edition of the 990 V4. Now you're probably thinking, Carlo, it looks exactly like the other one that you showed earlier. Kinda. This one has more tinges of navy, and along the side it just says S1982. Now, why did I cop this one? Now, again, like what I mentioned, I'm a huge fan of the 990 V4. So this cop was more of a collector move than a practical move. I just really wanted to have it because it had like so much history behind it when they released it last year, 2018, sometime in April. So only US stores, a few US stores actually dropped this, 1,500 pairs. So I'm very happy and blessed to be able to add this one to my collection. Shout out to FSV88 on Instagram for hooking me up with this one at an excellent price. Bro, maraming salamat. I appreciate you. Thank you. Guys, that's actually it for this collection vlog from New Balance. I will be doing another vlog on my off-white collection. All of the sneakers that I have, all of the bags that I have, all of the accessories that I have from off-white soon. So please make sure that you guys subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification bell, and make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram. That's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.